Hello and welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, I will show you how to install valve springs into the Briggs Stratton flathead engine and other small engines with similar designs using the Briggs Stratton valve spring compressor. Let's get started. The Briggs Stratton valve spring compressor is easy to use. It only has two different adjustments to set the tool up. The first adjustment closes and opens the tool. The last adjustment is to size the width of the valve springs. The valve spring retainer is the locking mechanism. It has two channels. I call the outer channel the unlocked and the inner channel the locked. And this is the valve stem. Insert the valve stem through the unlocked channel. When I move the retainer forward, it locks onto the valve stem. Let's install a valve stem into the engine. I will move the unit forward to lock. Locked, unlocked, locked, unlocked. We'll leave it in the locked position. Once the retainer is locked into place, I can now decompress the spring and remove the tool. Install complete. To remove the valve spring with the compressor, reinstall the tool. Compress the valve spring and remove. There you have it. Task complete. See you on the next episode.